In some cases, instead of complying with that, they tend to defeat the contemplation of the law. The contemplation of the law was to have a face of Kenya in the county public service. But sometimes, if it's Nyandarua, if you end up employing people from Murang'a or from Kiambu to fill up the 30%, you defeat the purpose.
Yes, it's constitutional and would want to comply. Unfortunately, Kenya has been struggling with unemployment rates. If we look at Nyandarua, our youth percentage is more than 43%, and most of them are not employed. If you tell me to recruit 30% from another county, I'll be wondering, why am I giving an opportunity to the other counties, yet my people are lagging behind, and the other counties might not want to employ my own people.